Okay, hi everyone. I think you can already guess. I don't know if you can see me. You can already guess that what we're going to do now, we're going to have a math lesson, yes? So in this math lesson, we're going to learn 2 more new numbers. It's going to be something very similar to what we've done on Monday when we did 16 and 17, okay? But before I tell you all about those 2 numbers, I have a little song here with me. I'm going to sing along and air write teen numbers 11 to 19, and I'm also going to add 20, okay? So if you like this song, I'm going to send it to you and you can join me now. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Great job, kids.
I hope you did it together with me. Okay, so what do we have here? We have our 100 chart, okay? So last class, we did numbers 16 and 17, okay? So, no, we did not do 16 and 17, guys. We did 17 and 18. That's right, 17 and 18. So, what we're going to do today are the next 2 numbers. Which are those? Well, after 18 comes 19, yeah? And then after 19 comes 20. Okay, so what we're going to do here is very, very similar to what we did last time. Okay, I have these cards here and I want to just distribute them in the right place. Okay, I wrote these numbers a little bit messy, so I'm going to write them again. The 2 digits should be in the same line. Okay, yeah, like that, something like that. A bit better now. Okay, so let's see what I have here. Okay, so both of these numbers are bigger than 10 because we did 10 a very long time ago, and for a while back we've been using numbers which require 2 10 frames to be represented. Okay, so I'm just going to put up these 2 10 frames which represent number 10 already, okay, completely filled in. Here is 1. And here is the other. Okay, and then we're going to figure out what goes on the second 10 frame. Okay, so let's begin. I have, oops, sorry, wow. Okay, so I have this 10 frame, it represents number 10. So let's find number 10, it's here. Okay, so from 10 I want to get to 19. Okay, so let's see how many hops there are between 10 and 19. And then the number of the hops is going to be the same as the number of these chips, these black circles on the second 10 frame. Okay, so starting from 10, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it says 9. It says then that 10 plus 9 equals 19. Okay, so let's go back and check that. Let's go from 19, 9 hops back, and if we get to 10, then we did it right. Okay, so from 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 19, 9 hops back, and we landed at 10. Okay, so definitely this is right. And now I need to find a 10 frame with 9. Is this it? I think you can immediately see that it's not, because this is filled in and it has 10, yeah? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is not the one. here it is. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9, okay? And this is what it looks like. So it's 2 almost completely filled in 10 frames, but here just 1 is missing, yes? Okay, so if here just 1 is missing and we add that 1 more, this is also going to be filled in completely. So then that's going to be one number bigger than 19, which is 20, our second number for today, yeah? So I already have this one completely filled in, okay? So I'm going to put it there, and then we're going to check in a few different ways if this is the right way to do it, okay? Okay, so what we have here is 10 and 10. So this would mean that 10 plus 10 equals 20. Yes, the 20 is the double of number 10, and that number 10 is a half of number 20. Okay, so how are we going to check this? Again, using our number line. We start from 10, we want to get to 10 this time, so let me just use a different color. Sorry, we start from 10, we want to end up at 20. Okay, so I'm going to make tiny little hops because I don't have a lot of space here because of this one. Okay, so tiny little hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so from 10 to 20, it took me 10 hops, okay? Let's see if it's the same number if I go in reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, so definitely 10 plus 10 equals 20. Yes, 10 here and 10 here is 20. And finally, just to be completely sure that this is right, we're going to count, okay? But we're going to count by 2s because counting by 1s is too slow, okay? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, okay? So this is definitely 20 on a 10 frame, 2 completely filled in 10 frames. Now, what you could see from the way I was counting these things here, the number of black circles, I could count them in number 20 by counting by 2s. So what does this mean? If you can count a number by 2s, that means that this number is odd or even. Odd or even. So 16 and 18 are even numbers, and so is 20. 20 is an even number. I'm going to put the card here. I'm just going to go a little bit back in case you can't see well. And then that makes 19 its first neighbor an odd number, yeah? So why do I say a first neighbor? For example, a 16 we said is an even number. So even number has 2 neighbors which are odd, 15 and 17, yeah? But also odd numbers have 2 neighbors which are even. 14 and 16 are even numbers, okay? So they're just interchanging all the time. Good. So one more thing I'm going to show you before I make a break with this video is how do we actually write the words 19 and 20, okay? So look at this word. Can you read it? Can you tell me what it is? 20. 20. Sometimes I hear children saying 20. No, 20. Okay, so this is how we write the word 20 or 20. Okay, and then let's take a look at this. 19. This is how we write the word 19. Here it is. Okay, so this is the word 19. I will be back in a minute and you're going to help me count some things up and also help me tally 19 and 20. Okay, be back in a minute.